Hello, Sairam students. Okay, let us continue with our subject mathematics. Now, children, in the last class, we have already studied how to solve word problems on perimeter and area. Correct? So, today in part 6, we'll learn about volume. Now, before we start with volume, let us understand what volume is. The volume of an object is the space occupied by the object, or you can also say that the volume is the space that a substance or a 3D shape occupies. Okay? The unit of volume is cubic centimeter, cubic meter, or any other cubic unit. Okay, so today let us learn how to find the volume of a cube and cuboid. Now, a solid shape that has length, breadth and height is called a cuboid, whereas a cuboid in which length, breadth and height are equal is called as a cube. Now, this is a picture of a cuboid which has got 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. And all the faces here you can see it is rectangular in shape. The face of a cuboid is rectangular in shape. Okay. So, a cuboid has length, breadth, how wide it is, and height. Yes. Now, this is a cube. It also has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. But here, all the faces are equal in shape, or you can say square in shape. All the faces of a cube are square in shape, or you can say that equal in shape. Okay, now to find, it also has length, width, and this width, how wide it is, and height. Okay, now to find the volume of a cube, we'll multiply, that is side into side into side 3 times. Okay, this is the formula to find the volume of a cuboid, that is length into breadth into height. If you have to find the length, breadth and height is given, that will be length of a cuboid, volume upon breadth into height. And if length is given, you have to find the breadth of a cuboid. So your formula is volume upon length into height. And if length and breadth both are given and you have to find the height of a cuboid, then your formula is volume upon length into breadth. Whereas the volume of a cube is, that is side into side into side, that is side cube. So these formulas you have to keep it in mind. Yes. Now let us start solving some sums from exercise 13.4. Okay. So be ready with your notebooks and start solving in your maths notebook. Okay. Now the first sum for you is to find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions means that is the length and the breadth. It is given as length is 11 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So that will be volume of a cuboid. Your formula is length into breadth into height. So you'll multiply, length is 11, breadth is 8 and height is 5. So 11 8s are 88 and 88 into 5 is 440 centimeter cube. Volume will always be written in cubic centimeter, that is centimeter cube. Coming to the next sum. Now here the length is 4.5 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter and height is 1.5 centimeter. Again, to find the volume of a cuboid, your formula is length into breadth into height. So that means 4.5 into 3 and into 1.5. So when you multiply all the 3 numbers, you get the answer as 20.25 centimeter cube, or you can say cubic centimeter. That is, after the 2 decimal places, you have to place the decimal point. Okay. Coming to the next sum. Here you have to find the volume of a cube whose side is given below. Now the side of a volume is given here, that is 2.5 dm, that is decimeter. Dm stands for decimeter. Now the volume of a cube is side into side into side. We'll multiply side 3 times. So 2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5. So the answer is 15.625. That is after 3 decimal places, you place the point. So your answer is 15.625 decimeter cube or cubic decimeter. dm cube. So this is how your answer is written for volume. Okay. Coming to the next sum. Again here you have to find the volume of a cube. So you will multiply side into side into side, and side given is 20 centimeter. So 20 into 20 is 400. 400 into 20 is 8000 centimeter cube. So the volume of a cube is 8000 cubic centimeter. Okay, now coming to the word problem here. The volume of an air box is 140 cubic meter. If the breadth and height of the box are 7 meter and 2 meter respectively, find its length. So here the volume of an iron box is given, breadth and height is given. We have to find the length. So to find the length of a cuboid, your formula is volume upon, that is breadth into height. So your volume is 140 cubic meter upon breadth is 7 meter into 2 meter. So that will be 140 cubic meter upon 7 twos is 14 meter square. Now here it is cubic meter and here it is meter square. So when you divide 140 by 14, your answer is 10 meter. Yes. So the solution to this is given in the next slide here, where the volume is 140 cubic meter, breadth is 7 meter, height is 2 meter. So the length is volume upon breadth into height, that is 140 cubic meter into 7 meter into 2 meter. Now here meter is meter square 2 times and here it is cubic meter. So in the answer you will have, when you divide it, you will get the answer as 10 meter. Coming to the next sum, fourth one of exercise 13.4. Okay, now the volume of a wooden blocks is 324 cubic centimeter. If the length and height of the block are 1.2 dm decimeter and 3 centimeter respectively, find its width. That is, you have to find the breadth. Now children, one point you have to note it here is, here it is given as 1.2 decimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, so this decimeter you have to convert it into centimeter first. So when you convert it from decimeter to centimeter, that will be 1.2 into 10. When you convert it, that will be 120 centimeter. So place the decimal point. So that will be 12 centimeter. Now let us come to the formula to find the breadth. So your breadth, if you have to find the breadth, that will be volume upon length is given, length into height. So your volume is 324 upon length is 12 now centimeter. Here it is 324 cubic centimeter. And here it is 12 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So when you divide it, now 324, you can divide it by 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 0, 3, 8 times is 24. And then this 108 can be divided by 12, that is 9 times. And here it is cubic centimeter and here it is centimeter square, 2 times centimeter. So your answer will be 9 centimeter. Yes. So just see here, the solution is given here in this slide. Volume is 324 cubic centimeter. Length is 1.2 dm, that is decimeter. When you convert it into centimeter, that will be 12 centimeter, and height is 3 centimeter. So to find the breadth, volume upon length into height, so that is 324 centimeter cube into 12 centimeter into 3 centimeter, or also you can write it as centimeter square. So when you divide this 324 by 3, you will get the answer as 108 centimeter square upon centimeter cube upon 12 centimeter square. So when you divide this 108 by 12, that will be 9. Okay, so that is 9 centimeter. Yes. Okay, now based on this topic, some home assignment sums for you, where in the first one you have to find the volume of a cuboid, where the length given is 9 meter, breadth is 6 meter and height is 4 meter. So to find the volume of a cuboid, it is length into breadth into height. So that will be 9 into 6 into 4. And the second one is length is 5 dm, that is decimeter, breadth is 22 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Now here children, you have to convert this 5 decimeter to centimeter. Okay, so 5 deci to centi is 10. So you will multiply 5 into 10, that will be 50 centimeter. So length will be 50 centimeter. So to find the volume of a cuboid, it is 50 centimeter into 22 into 10. Same way, the second sum, that is where you have to find the volume of a cube, where the side given is 6 meter. That is to find the volume of a cube, that is side into side into side. That is, will multiply 6 3 times. And the same way, second sum is side is 12 centimeter. So you will multiply 12 3 times. That is 12 into 12 into 12. So that's all children. We have completed with this chapter. So meet you in the next class. Till then, keep practicing and thank you for today. Bye.